Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu hal adullukum ala tijaratin tunjikum min azabin alim. Tu'minuna billahi wa tujahiduna fi sabilillah bi amwalikum zalikum khairul lakum in kuntum ta'lamun. Shadaqallahul azim. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nur Laili. Saya dosen Universitas Muslim Nusantara Al-Wasliyah pada prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris. Dan saya mengampu mata kuliah English for Job Hunting, di mana English for Job Hunting ini adalah mata kuliah yang ada di semester 7. Sebelum kita melakukan proses pembelajaran, saya akan mendeskripsikan di sini rencana perkuliahan semester, di mana di sini ada pencapaian pada pembelajaran. Capaian pembelajaran yang pertama adalah sikap. Takwa kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa dengan cerminan sikap yang taat dan religius. Kemudian pencapaian pengetahuan. Pengetahuan di sini menguasai konsep teoritis, pedagogi, dan konsep pengetahuan dalam bidang studi yang sesuai dengan lingkup tugasnya. Kemudian keterampilan umum. Pencapaian keterampilan umum di sini mampu merencanakan, melaksanakan, dan mengevaluasi pembelajaran kurikuler dan ekskul dengan pendekatan pembelajaran siswa aktif dengan memanfaatkan berbagai sumber belajar, media pembelajaran berbasis iptek, dan potensi lingkungan setempat sesuai standar proses dan mutu. Dan kemudian pencapaian keterampilan khusus. Pencapaian keterampilan khusus di sini adalah berupaya berpikir kritis, logis, dan sistematis serta inovatif dalam konteks pengembangan atau implementasi ilmu pengetahuan atau teknologi sesuai dengan bidang keahliannya. Dan adapun di sini adalah capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah. Capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah English for Job Hunting adalah satu, mampu mengembangkan bahasa Inggris dalam bidangnya baik secara tulisan maupun lisan. Yaitu di mana di sini secara tulisan adalah menulis surat lamaran dan menulis CV pada English for Job Hunting. Kemudian mampu membangkitkan percaya diri dan mengembangkan wawasan secara lisan pada interview. Dan di sini ada capaian pembelajarannya pada capaian pembelajaran mata kuliahnya adalah bisa mengaplikasikan ilmu komunikasi bahasa Inggris yang dimiliki baik secara tulisan maupun lisan saat menghadapi dunia kerja. Dan kemudian deskripsi singkat mata kuliah di sini adalah mata kuliah ini bertujuan untuk mempersiapkan dalam menghadapi wawancara kerja dalam bahasa Inggris dan strategi khusus untuk mampu memenangkan persaingan dan tantangan dunia kerja, di mana di sini adalah bisa membuat surat lamaran pekerjaan, daftar riwayat hidup, dan tips-tips dalam menjawab pertanyaan dalam wawancara dan etika ketika berwawancara. Dan ada bahan kajian yang di sini adalah dari pertemuan 1 sampai pertemuan 16, di mana pertemuan 1 adalah orientasi dan introduction, di mana di sini adalah memperkenalkan dan introduction. Dan pertemuan kedua researching dan preparation. Pertemuan ketiga writing and impressive CV. Dan pertemuan keempat adalah detailing your education and qualification, demonstrating your interest, providing references. Dan pertemuan kelima adalah writing a couple letter. Pertemuan keenam adalah review or doing exercises. Dan pertemuan ketujuh adalah ujian tengah semester. Pertemuan ke-8 akan membahas tentang successful interviews or preparing for the interview, making a positive first impression, dealing effectively with interview questions. Kemudian pertemuan ke-9 adalah telephoning and interview. Dan pertemuan ke-10 adalah negotiation term and condition of service. Dan pertemuan ke-11 sampai pertemuan 15 adalah practicing and review, di mana di sini adalah membuat sebuah video yang diperankan oleh mahasiswa, dan di mana di sini berperan sebagai di mana mencari pekerjaan dan bagaimana persiapannya, dan memerankan semua seperti apa sesuai dengan materi yang telah diajarkan dari pertemuan pertama sampai pertemuan ke-10. Dan yang terakhir adalah pertemuan ke-16, di mana adalah di sini adalah final examination dan ujian akhir semester. Di mana di sini pustaka yang digunakan adalah Downes, ya, pengarang Downs pada tahun 2008 yang berjudul Cambridge English for Job Hunting New York yang diterbitkan oleh Cambridge University. Kemudian Lau dan Calvin dan kawan-kawan pada tahun 2011 yang berjudul Employers' Perceptions of the Employability Skills of New Graduates yang diterbitkan oleh University of Glasgow Free Center. Dan pendukungnya adalah jurnal ilmiah yang berkaitan dengan English for Job Hunting. Metode pembelajaran di sini adalah ceramah, diskusi, presentasi, dan praktek. Adapun penilaian pada mata kuliah ini adalah yang pertama kehadiran sebanyak 10%, kuis sebanyak 5%, tugas sebanyak 15%, dan UTS sebanyak 30%. Dan UAS sebanyak 40%, di mana di sini adalah ketentuan yang ditentukan oleh Universitas Muslim Nusantara Al-Wasliyah yang harus dipenuhi sebanyak 5 poin. Dan media pembelajaran, media yang digunakan di sini adalah Zoom, Google Meet, Proyektor, dan e-learning. Nah, jadi demikianlah deskripsi rencana pembelajaran semester English for Job Hunting yang dilakukan pada 1 semester. Dan berikut adalah video pembelajaran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu hal adullukum ala tijaratin tunjikum min azabin alim. Tu'minuna billahi wa tujahiduna fi sabilillah bi amwalikum dzalikum khairul lakum in kuntum ta'lamun. Shadaqallahul azim. Hello, how are you? How are you?
It's fine.
Okay. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, today we have a second meeting, about English for job hunting, and I want to show you, about our meeting and discuss today. Wait for it. This is about the second meeting. Okay, before we start our discussion, our study, I want to ask you, what do you think about English for job hunting? The material is researching and preparation. Come on, who can answer? What do you think about researching and preparation? Johanna, hello, Johanna? Yeah, Johanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on. Okay, what do you think about researching and preparation in the English for job hunting? Okay, no one?
So, before we apply the CV, we have to research the requirement to apply for a job, and then we have to prepare the CV, the best CV to apply a job, ma'am.
Okay, good. Before this meeting, last week we studied about the English for job hunting, and we discussed about our all material 1 semester. Yes, right? Okay, and here the second meeting we discussed about the researching and preparation. Okay, researching and preparation is this is about the how to research a job. Okay, if you want to find a job, you have more information. You have what else? Information from by media, from by relation. Okay, this is about the how to research a job. Okay, if you want to find a job, you have to have information from by media, internet digital, magazine, by relation person. Okay, this is by relation persons, yeah. By relation persons, you can find from friends, you can find from parents, you can find from family. Okay, this is about the by relation person. After you have this information from this, okay, you can qualification your education. Yeah. Okay, go to educational qualification. This is you can qualification your education. For example, if you want to get a job in school, so you are English department can teach or can work there. Why? Because you're the graduated from English department. This is about the educational qualification. Okay, after you find this, after you have information and then you can education your qualification, you can go to preparation. This is about the preparation. What is the preparation? Preparation is the how to prepare. How to prepare before you go to field. So you have to have skills. This is about the skills. You can see analytical skills. Analytical skills is a good at the data analysis. You can analyze the data. This is about analytical skills. After that, creativity. Okay, today is Merdeka Belajar, Kampus Merdeka. You have to have creativity. Why? This is because to create ideas and find new something is very, very good for you. And then self-confidence. Self-confidence. What is this discuss? This is about how to face challenge. Again, how to develop yourself and dare to make a decision. Okay, for example, if you have problem, you can solve the problem and then you can make a decision from the problem. After that, you have communication skill. This is about communication skill, able to motivate someone. For example, you can work in a bank, in the bank. But someone, cannot speaking English, but you have skill in communication. So you can teach them, you can teach them and you can to motivate them to have study about English. Okay. Next, independence. Can do work effectively. Okay. And then interpersonal skills. This is about good listener. Good listener, good at working and communicating within a team to achieve shared goals. You are a good listener is very good in a company, in a work team. Okay. Next, negotiation skill. Negotiation skills, this is about can use language in good time. Okay, you can use language in good time. After that, you can go to style. Style is like this, having a leadership spirit. Having a leadership spirit like you are a leader, you are a leader in a team, in a teamwork. Okay, you are a leader in the team of work in company. This is very good. Okay, this is about the skills, this is about skills. So preparation, before you get a job, okay, before you go to the field job, you have to have skills. This is about the skills. After you have skills, you can go here. What is this? This is about the consider and interesting. You can consider what do you want and what do you interesting. I interest in the I interest in a teacher. Okay, can be, I interest in a receptionist. Okay, can be I interest in chef. Okay, you can consider it here. You can consider it here and then you can make decision. After you consider it and interesting, you can make a decision. Okay? Okay. After that, this is about the, this is about the excitement. This excitement is, excitement is how to, excitement is write down example of your skills and Describe them according to the job you are interested in. Yeah. If you have skill, for example, you have skill in analytical data, you can write down your skill and describe. Describe, or for example, why I have this skill. You can write down. Yeah, you can describe. You can. This is right. What else? This is about the skill in field. Yeah, you can what else, manage the teamwork. Yeah, you can manage the what else, we can manage the leader. Okay, you can describe your skill here. This is assessment for you. Okay, this is assessment for you. Okay, start from, yeah, start from the skill, start from the how to research a job. Yeah, start from information, by media, by relation, educational qualification, and then preparation in skill. You have these skills, and then you can consider and interesting, you make a decision. Okay, from this step, yeah, from this step, have you question? Have you question? Any question? Any question?
Johanna, ma'am.
Okay, Johanna, come on, Johanna.
Well, ma'am, nowadays it can be said that it is very difficult to get a job. What is the solution from ma'am so that we can still be enthusiastic and creative, ma'am?
Okay, good question. Okay, about how to maintenance, yeah, how to maintenance your creativity. I think you can follow the what else? Follow the development of the skills like technology, digital technology. Yeah, when having even uh, when having even workshop, yeah, you can follow them, and then you can try and exercise there. So your skill is very good, and having good knowledge. Yeah, having good knowledge, because today, yeah, today having technological skills is very good. Mm, don't stop to create a new something. Yeah, don't stop to create what else, you can come out your skill. You can come out your skill. For example, yeah, you want to be a chef. Okay, you can I want to be a chef international. Why? Because you have communication skill in English. Okay, I want to be a guide in professional. Okay, it's very good. I want to be a teacher. Yeah, to be a teacher in creative. Yeah, active and innovative. This is very good. I think this is about the you can follow even when have a workshop. Yeah, when have a workshop, because this can develop and can make much information to get a success. I think this is a solution for you. Okay, any question? No. Okay, thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for today. And this is conclusion. Yeah, if you want to find a job, yeah, if you want to find a job, you have to prepare like your education, like your skills. And then after you have this, you can consider and interested and then make a decision. Okay, this is conclusion for today, this material. Okay, for the next week, yeah, for the next week, we will discuss about the writing impressive CV. Okay, you can hear what you can hear come out your skill in writing. Yeah, come out your skill in writing. You can elaborate in impressive CV. Okay, thank you for today, and thank you for this discussion. Yeah. Why? Because this is very, very good to discuss to how to find a job. Any question again? Any question again?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Have you
No
understand?
question.
Have you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning and see you. Bye-bye.
See you, ma'am. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.